Ever wonder why you sneeze when you look at the sun? Well, Superman will tell you why. Superman soars high above the Marina Bay sands. The sun gleams brightly, casting an intense glow over everything. Suddenly, Superman veers directly into the sunlight, and to his surprise, he lets out a powerful sneeze. He thought, why do we sneeze when looking at the sun? This reaction is called the photic sneeze reflex, affecting 10 to 35% of the population. Superman, bewildered yet amused, resumes his flight across the vibrant city, reminding us of how even heroes have human quirks. So next time you're out in the sun, keep an eye out for a sneeze. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting science stories with your favorite characters.